Thoughts are powerful and unique to each individual. Some thoughts can inspire and motivate us, while others can lead to mental struggles like a depression. Our thoughts shape our reality. So, it is essential to analyze and manage them effectively. However, it is not always easy, and we may get stuck with negative thoughts. Managing our mental well being requires effort and self awareness. On the other hand, thoughts have the power to create incredible things like the towering buildings we see around us. It is amazing to think that these structure were one just ideas in someone's mind. The power of thought is truly remarkable.